morning, my students. In previous classes, I have taught you the adverbs, definition of adverbs, kinds of adverbs, and I have described about main two kinds of these terms, adverb of manner and adverb of place. But I am going to teach you the other kinds of adverbs such as adverb of times. But first of all, I want to teach you what is adverbs, and I am going to repeat these words adverbs. Adverbs is a word that modifies verb, adjective, and another adverb. It is adverb. He walked slowly. He walked slowly. Slowly is adverb. He modified the verb walk. So today I am going to explain among you the other kinds of adverbs such as the adverb of time and adverb of time, adverb of degree, and adverb of frequency. See here, adverb of time. Third, adverbs of time indicate the time. Adverbs of time indicate the time of action, the time of action, and answer the question, and answer the question how much, how much, answer the question, when, sorry, not how much, when, answer. For example, the conference began early. The conference began early. Next example. She will come tomorrow. See here, adverb of time. Adverbs of time indicate the time of action. It indicates the time of action. Adverb of time समय को निर्धारित करता है या समय को दर्शाता है कि कब कार्य हुआ. When the time of action is done, and answer the question when. Example, the conference began early, and you ask question from the verb. When began conference? Answer is early. Therefore, early is adverb of time. She will come tomorrow. When come? Say when will come? Answer is tomorrow. Then tomorrow is adverbs. Who modify the verb, and it is adverbs of time. Okay. adverb of degree. Next, adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree indicate the intensity of action. Adverbs of degree indicate the intensity of action. It indicates intensity of action. And answer the question how much. And answer the question how much. Answer the question how much. They are placed before the adjective or adverb. They are placed before the FORE. Before the adjective, before the adjective or adverb. Example. The story was very scary. The story was very scary. Next example. She is quite fast in calculating sums. She is QUI quite fast calculating the sums. Adverb of degree. Adverbs of degree indicate the intensity of action. What is adverb of degree? The intensity of action. And answer the question how much. The place of they place before the adjective or adverb. Adverb of degree indicates the intensity of action. यह कितना कार्य हुआ, कार्य की गहराई कहाँ तक की गई, कितना कार्य किया गया. एंड इसका वर्ब से हाउ मच क्वेश्चन लगाने पर जो आंसर आता है वही एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री माना जाता है. दे प्लेस और दे प्लेस ये कहाँ पर सेंटेंस में इसका स्थान जो होता है वह एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब के पहले होता है. सेंटेंस में यह एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब के पहले रखा जाता है. एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री प्लेस्ड इन ए सेंटेंस बिफोर adjectives and adverbs. It shows the intensity of work and answer the question how much. According to the example, we see the story was very scary. The story was very scary. The how much a story? स्टोरी कितना बड़ा था, कैसा था, तो स्कैरी था. स्कैरी मीन्स डरावना था. She is quite fast calculating the sum. How much calculating the sum? So quite fast. How was she calculating the sum? तो क्वाइट फास्ट। वो हम हिसाब की गणना कैसे करती है, गिनती कैसे करती है, हिसाब के साथ जल्दी से कैलकुलेट करती है, बहुत तेजी से करती है। तो यहाँ पर टाइम ऑफ इंटेंसिटी ऑफ एक्शन शो किया जाता है। नेक्स्ट, adverbs of frequency. Next, fifth, adverbs of frequency. What is this? What is frequency? Adverbs of frequency indicate adverbs frequency indicate how often an action take place. An action take place. And answer the question how often. And answer the question how often. Answer the question. They are usually placed before the main verb, before the main verb and after the auxiliary helping verb, and after the helping verb. Example: she rarely visits. He rarely visits the museum. The museum. Next, Rita first. Next, Rita often helps her mother in the garden. Adverbs of frequency. See here. What is adverb of frequency? The adverbs of frequency indicate how often an action takes place. how often. This word you must careful. Remember, I want to say some words before you to remember it. Kinds of adverbs. When you are studying the adverbs, every kinds of words, adverbs, you must concentrate. They indicate how often, and manner, what manner work is done, in what way the work is done, adverb of time, where the work is done, adverb of place, where the work is done, and when the work is done, adverb of time. To see here, adverbs of frequency indicate how often the action take place. Take place मतलब होता है, कितनी बार कार्य होता है, and answer the question how often. एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी यह बताता है कि कार्य कितनी बार किया गया या कैसे कितनी बार हो रहा है. एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी इंडिकेट हाउ ऑफ्टन एक्शन टेक प्लेस एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन हाउ ऑफ्टन. ये वर्ब में हाउ ऑफ्टन क्वेश्चन लगाइए और जो भी आंसर आएगा वो आपका एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी होगा. एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी सेंटेंस को पकड़ने का मेथड है. दिस इज द मेथड, सुटेबल मेथड टू आस्क द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द वर्ब्स हाउ ऑफ्टन. एंड एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी प्लेस इन द सेंटेंस बिफोर द मेन वर्ब एंड आफ्टर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब. According to the example, we see he rarely visits the museum. See here, he rarely visits the museum. वह म्यूजियम शायद जाता है या शायद देखता है, यानी वह म्यूजियम में शायद जाता है, यानी जाता है नहीं भी जाता है, जाता है लेकिन कम जाता है. रेयरली मतलब कम जाता है, जाता है लेकिन कम जाता है. हाउ ऑफ्टन visit the museum? Rarely word is adverb of frequency. Rita often helps her mother in the garden. So how often Rita helps her mother? How often Rita helps her mother in the garden? रीता अपनी माँ को गार्डन में कैसे कितने मदद करती है? तो ऑफ्टन अक्सर हाँ करती है. ऑफ्टन मीन्स अक्सर हाँ करती है. This is the adverb of frequency. And next, relative adverbs. Sixth, relative adverbs. See here. Relative adverbs are words like when, where, when and why. Like where, when and why. And why. They modify a word modify a word they modify a word and refer back to a thing or person and refer back to a thing or person that the pronoun refers to, that the pronoun refer to that the pronoun refer to. They function as adverb and conjunction also. They function as adverbs and as conjunctions also. Example. I cannot find the house. I cannot find the house where my aunt lived earlier. Where my aunt lived earlier. Next, second example. She cannot recollect when she booked the gas refill. When she booked gas refill. See here, relative pronoun. What is relative pronoun? As you see, relative words mean relate. Relative words means relate, जोड़ना. किसको जोड़ना? सेंटेंस में एडवर्ब के जैसा कार्य करना, इसी को रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. एडवर्ब्स आर वर्ड्स लाइक वेयर, व्हेन. They modify the word and refer to a thing or person that a pronoun refer to. इसका मतलब यह होगा कि सेंटेंस में जो वर्ड है वेयर, व्हेन एंड व्हाई, ये वेयर, व्हेन एंड व्हाई, these words modify the word and refer back to a thing or person. ये रेफर, एक वर्ड जो है यह आप वैसा वर्ड को मॉडिफाई करता है जिस नाम और नाम को प्रोनाउन करता है, दैट द प्रोनाउन रेफर टू, जिसका प्रोनाउन वो वापस फिर उसी व्यक्ति को संबोधित करता है. दे फंक्शन एडवर्ब एंड कंजंक्शन. यह एडवर्ब के रूप में भी काम करता है, कंजंक्शन के रूप में भी काम करता है. The function adverbs are conjunction also. See here, refer back. It is most important to a thing or person that the pronoun refer to. वह pronoun को refer करता है, वह पुनः वह नाउन के पास में चला आता है. वह वर्ड का pronoun result. I cannot find the house. See here, house is a noun. My aunt lived earlier. My aunt lived earlier. So my aunt is a noun and I a pronoun. मैं उस घर को नहीं पा सका जहां मेरी आंट पहले रहा करती थी. तो where is also adverb who refer back to the person of things. या किसको बता रहा है? या पर्सन को बता रहा है, आंट को बारे में बता रहा है. और फिर रेफर बैक किसको कर रहा है? रेफर टू प्रोनाउन. दैट पर्सन रेफर टू. पर्सन जो रेफर कर रहा था, किसको रेफर कर रहा है? हाउस को. और फिर वो किस चीज को? हाउस को. माई आंट. तो माई आंट लिव्ड अर्लियर. आई कैन नॉट फाइंड द हाउस वेयर माई आंट लिव्ड अर्लियर. She cannot recollect when she booked the gas refill. जब उसने बुक कर दिया गैस को, गैस लेने के लिए रिफिल को बुक कर दिया, she cannot recollect, वो नहीं ली जब वो किया. तो यहाँ पर रिलेटिव क्या है? she is a pronoun and she is also a pronoun. So he refer to in this sentence this word adverb refer to pronoun and also go back to the she. The she cannot recollect when she booked gas refill. See here. But I am going to end. But after some kinds of adverb is the rest. So next day I also explain the rest of the kinds of adverbs. Here I have taught you the 5 to 6 adverb of time, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency and relative adverbs. And according to the kinds of adverbs, I hope you must choose and understand the adverbs of kinds. Adverbs of kinds, adverbs. All kinds of adverbs is called adverbs. All kinds of adverbs is called adverb. In a sentence, you have to choose, you have to place the adverbs, but must understood and you must follow after the studying so what is adverb and how kinds of you choose the adverb. Adverb of degree, adverb of place, adverb of manner, relative adverb, adverb of frequency, and that's all. That's all. These are adverbs. And I hope after concentration, fully concentration, you have to study, you must find the adverbs in a sentence. You have no problem. You have no problem. But you must remember, study a grammar is essential for you for in a concentration manner. Concentration manner. Neither you are sitting here before the books, but your mind is going on where the playground, where the cricket. It is not possible for you to study the grammar. Grammar is a part of English. It is very carefully studied according to the rules. So I hope you must understood this part of the adverbs. So I thank you.